Use a 6mm hex key to loosen the front wheel fixing bolts. Pull out the fixing bolts. Remove the front wheel. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the fender. Use a 2.5mm hex key to remove the screw that secures the wire clip. Use a 5mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the disc brake mount. Use a 4mm hex key to loosen the stem fixing screws. Remove the rubber plug. Use a 5mm hex key to loosen the boom screw. Remove the front fork. Insert the front fork into the frame. Thread it through the middle of the 3 wire harnesses. The leftmost wire harness is on the left side, and the other 2 are on the right side. Install the headset cover. Install the head tube decorative cover. Ensure it is properly installed without any gaps. Install the stem. Tighten the boom screw. Apply thread locking adhesive to the 3 fender screws. Pre-tighten the 3 screws first. Apply thread locking adhesive to the front wheel bolts. Install the front wheel with the disc brake rotor facing the left handlebar. Insert the bolt. Tighten the bolt. Install washers on the disc brake caliper mounting bolts as shown in the video. Thread the brake cable through the inside of the fender bracket. Install the adapter with the larger end facing upwards on the disc brake caliper mount. Insert the screw. Pre-tighten the 2 screws first. Squeeze the front brake lever. Then tighten the screws. Ensure there is no brake rubbing and the braking is effective. Put the brake cable into the front fork slot. Install the buckle. Tighten the screw. Adjust the fender to be straight. Tighten the upper screw. Tighten the screws on both sides. Adjust the handlebars to be straight. Tighten the fixing screws on both sides of the stem. Install the rubber plugs.